Hi there everyone. It's still Friday and I'm still here. I've been twiddling my thumbs a bit today. Things I need to do that I can't because of I wanted to sort the garden out, but it's just too wet and miserable out there, so I thought I would do another quick review. Now I got these the other day in Farmfoods, and there's 5 in the pack, and it's Openshaws Scampi and Lemon flavoured bites. Guarantee of satisfaction: this product should reach you in perfect condition. If it's not, then we will refund it and the postage. Your statutory rights are not affected. These are made by New World Foods Europe from Oakland Farms, Church Lane, Moor Moncton in York, and 72 Rue de l'Azade, Rouen, 76100, France. You'll love my tangy melt in the mouth Scampi and Lemon flavour bites whether you are a seafarer or a landlubber, says Captain Scampi. Ingredients: corn flour, rice flour, potato starch, sugar, salt, sodium bicarbonate, spices, paprika, turmeric, rapeseed oil, flavour enhancer, monosodium glutamate, acidity regulator, yeast extract, emulsifier, paprika extract, lactose, milk, allergy warning for this is milk, and lemon oil. The nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. These are £1.19, and this is another 5 pack, and this is a pub original Bacon and Bbq flavour bites. Bring home the bacon. And this is exactly the same company. Try my scrumptious melt in the mouth Bacon Bbq bites, just as tasty whether you are a country bumpkin or a city slicker, says Bob the Butcher. And in here, corn flour, rice flour, potato starch, salt, sodium bicarbonate, rapeseed oil, bacon, barbecue seasoning, yeast extract, monosodium glutamate, sugar, tomato powder, salt, spices, coriander, cumin, cayenne, dextrose, and according to this you've got no allergy warnings at all. And your nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. So, £1.19 per bag, or 5 little bags. They'll have you hooked, it says. There we go. What does it look like on the inside, folks? So these are the Scampi and Lemon. They're very nice. Yeah. Some really nice flavourings in here. These are very nice. There's another company, is it Knick Knacks, who do the Scampi bites, Scampi and Lemon? Can't remember, but these are nicer than them. Can't complain at all. Very tasty. Little horns, look. Right everyone, that's that one. Openshaws. I'll just have a drink and cleanse the palate. Very nice. So bacon and barbecue bites. And there's Bob the butcher. Same shape again. Little horns. They've got a lovely crunch, just like the Scampi and Lemon ones. They've got a sweetness here and the flavour, you can taste the bacon, the sweetness is obviously the barbecue. These are really nice. And these are well worth the money. £1.19 for 5 little packs. No, certainly buy these again, I will. Both lovely. I can't differentiate between the two, which is my favourite. As far as snacks go, they're out there with the best. I'll give them 8 out of 10 and I will buy them again. Now, I've got a little friend who's wanting to make an appearance. And she's just had a collar removed, haven't you? Because she hurt her leg. Come on then. Come on, Matt. Up. There we go. You want to try some? Do you want to try some? Don't want that one? How about this one then? But you said you wanted one from over there. Oh well. Don't know what she's missing. There you go, at least she's been on camera. For all those who like her. If you've enjoyed what you've seen everyone, please hit that like button. Leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you've not yet subscribed, come on, join us. It won't cost you a penny. Helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. As always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Enjoy the rest of Friday, everyone. Bye for now.